been talking a lot, of course, about the commodity prices, whether it is crude oil, wheat, which is now at an all-time high, palladium, and we should now also talk about coffee. We have started to see there are disruptions in global supplies. There's going to be shipping disruptions as well, as we have seen in the Black Sea. So let's discuss this and more with Challa Srishant, the Managing Director at CCL Products, who's joining us live. You're, of course, a commodity-focused company. With what's going on right now, thanks to the war, the kind of news flow that's coming in, the way ships are getting stuck as well, what's going to be the impact for you?
As of now, there's not too much of an impact because the situation is constantly evolving. And now we just heard that because foodstuffs are allowed, coffee is also being allowed. And Merck's shipping line is now accepting shipments as well. So some of the shipments are still going through. But the other shipping lines where we already have contracted, they are saying that they will not call on any Russian port or Ukrainian port. So it's we are partly impacted, and to the exact extent we will know only as things evolve over the next couple of days.
You know, I do understand that you're looking at plant-based protein, vegan offerings. I'll get to that all in just a bit. But I want to just stick with the commodity pricing at the moment. Coffee prices, how they've been doing, is it impacting your margins? On top of that, there's yet one more, uncertain event, which is, of course, the war.
So coffee prices will not really impact our margins because of our model. It's a cost plus model. So whatever we sell, we immediately cover the coffee at the same time. So as of now, we are seeing that the coffee prices are under pressure because of the war, and there is not much trading activity that is taking place right now. Whenever we do get order confirmations, we cover the coffee back to back. So it really doesn't make a difference for us as a business model whether the prices really go up or down. We pass through everything anyway.
Right. When we just look at, the overall prices of agri commodities, can you just tell us that each and every agri company is facing such issues? I mean, whatever they are sourcing, wheat, corn, sugar, coffee, and how are you managing the supply situation then?
So supplies have not been really impacted because our primary source is from Vietnam and Indonesia. Container shortages and all are already there, and we are planning our shipments and all well in advance. So there is no real issue for us on supply side at this point in time. And going forward also, we have our contracts in place at least 1 year in advance. So our green coffee, our raw materials keep coming in also. At the same time, our finished products also are getting exported. So there's no major issue for us at this point in time.
In terms of, the stock that you have, of course, it will save you, this time around. But do you think going ahead with a lag effect, there will be some sort of impact as far as margins and how you pass it on ahead is concerned?
I don't think so, because our model itself has been tried and tested over the last 20 years, and we've gone through recessions, we've gone through COVID, we've gone through wars, we've gone through all these situations. It really hasn't changed our business model in any manner. And we've consistently grown volumes year on year over the last 20 years without any problem. So I don't see that fundamentally changing even now.
And before we let you go, tell us about this plan of the plant-based protein.
Yeah, so this is one of the new areas that we thought we will leverage our distribution network and start placing the products in the market. And we were looking for something innovative, something new that we can get into. And this is one of the products that we have identified. We've been doing R&D on this for more than a year now, and now we feel that we are ready to proceed with the introduction of the product, which we're expecting within the next month or so. And we're not putting any big numbers to this at this point in time. We're not going all out with advertising or anything. We're just focusing on D2C marketing, and we're introducing the product in a low-key manner right now to see how the response is in the market.
We're going to leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us live today on the market.